Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Authenticator for secure account access, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Google Authenticator for secure account access, start by ensuring your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android device, search for Google Authenticator in the Google Play Store. For iOS users, go to the Apple App Store and search for Google Authenticator. Once you find the app, tap on it to view more details. Click on the Install or Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, open Google Authenticator by tapping on its icon. You will see an option to set up your account. Select Get Started to begin the setup process. You can add an account either by scanning a QR code or entering a setup key. To scan a QR code, choose the Scan a QR code option. Ensure your camera has permission to access the app if prompted. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your computer or another device. After scanning, the app will automatically add the account. If you prefer to enter a setup key, select the Manual Entry option. Type in your account name and the setup key provided to you. Once the account is added, you will see a 6-digit code for that account. This code refreshes every 30 seconds for added security. Now, go to the website or service where you want to enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to link your Google Authenticator app to your account. You will typically be asked to enter the code shown in the Authenticator app. After entering the code, confirm the setup to finalize enabling two-factor authentication. Make sure to save any backup codes provided during this process. These codes are essential in case you lose access to your Google Authenticator app. Now you have set up Google Authenticator for enhanced security on your accounts. You can repeat these steps to add more accounts as needed. Remember to keep your device secure, as it contains access to your accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.